Welcome to this presentation on two layers of computational screening on Silaborin-based clusters filter CAS IB11H11CH32 as the promising electrolyte for calcium-ion batteries. This research was conducted by Abhiruchi Sharma et al. And published in recently. Today we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Good morning, everyone. We all rely on batteries every day, from our phones to electric cars. For decades, lithium-ion batteries have been the gold standard, but they face growing challenges, limited resources, high costs, and safety concerns. This has driven scientists to explore new options. And one of the most exciting is the calcium-ion battery, or CIB. Calcium is incredibly abundant, safer, and has the potential for much higher energy density. But there's a big hurdle: finding the right electrolyte, the crucial liquid that allows ions to move within the battery without breaking down. Our research tackles this exact problem, paving the way for the next generation of energy storage. Imagine trying to find the perfect key for a very complex lock. You have thousands of potential keys, and testing each one by hand would take forever. Instead, you use a super smart computer program that can virtually try out keys, predict how well they fit, and even see if they break when you turn them. To find this elusive electrolyte, we used powerful computer simulations, like a virtual chemistry lab, to screen thousands of potential candidates. Our process involved two main steps. First, we used density functional theory, or DFT, to predict how stable these molecules would be and how easily they'd let calcium ions move. This is like checking if our keys are strong and the right shape. Then, for the most promising candidates, we ran ab initio molecular dynamics, or AIMD. This is like a high-speed video simulation, showing us in real time how these electrolytes behave when they interact with the battery's calcium metal surface. This crucial step revealed which keys would actually work without falling apart in the lock of a real battery. After extensive computational screening, we found our big win. Many promising candidates, which looked great on paper for stability and ion movement, unfortunately broke down when simulated interacting with the calcium metal anode. It was like finding a beautiful key that shattered when you tried to turn it. However, one particular electrolyte, a modified silaborin called the ASIB11H11CH32, stood out. Our simulations showed it remained remarkably stable on the calcium anode, resisting decomposition and allowing calcium ions to move freely. This is a critical breakthrough, as anode stability has been a major roadblock for calcium ion battery development. This research is a significant step forward because it addresses one of the biggest challenges in developing next-generation batteries. Imagine trying to build a high-performance engine, but you can't find oil that won't break down under the heat and pressure. That's been the situation with calcium-ion batteries and their electrolytes. By identifying a stable electrolyte, we've essentially found that special oil that allows the engine to run smoothly and reliably. This means we're closer to harnessing calcium's natural advantages, its abundance, and safety, to create batteries that are not only powerful but also sustainable and affordable. Our computational approach also demonstrates how powerful these virtual tools are in accelerating discovery, saving immense time and resources compared to traditional lab experiments. So, what does this mean for you in the next 5 years? This research brings us closer to a future where your devices, electric vehicles, and even your home's energy storage systems could be powered by calcium-ion batteries. Imagine a world where battery costs are significantly lower because calcium is so plentiful. Imagine safer batteries that are less prone to overheating. Imagine a greener planet, less reliant on scarce resources like lithium. Our discovery of a stable calcium-ion electrolyte is a foundational step towards making these everyday impacts a reality, driving us towards a more sustainable and energy-independent future.